Hi guys, today we will be discussing about BunnyCon, but before that, you can like and subscribe to my channel Crypto Twilight. Alright, so let's get into BunnyCon. Let's check their website. The BunnyCon website looks good. So if you see, it's the first in all-in-one BSC powered DEX on market, and it's going to be huge in my opinion because it's got all in one. Alright, so if you see, it's a flexible AMM and creative yield field on NFT, and you can see the generalized AMM pool with up to 8 tokens, any weight, any tokens for that. I mean, it would be a top 8 tokens for that matter, and or probably all the tokens which are stable coins, most of them, and then super low slippage and dynamic fee for swapping, and NFTs are going to come. So I think this is going to be huge. If you see their Telegram, if you see 74,000 members already there and 8,000 odd online, it's active community. And if you see their Twitter also has quite a lot of following. And if you see that Bunny, that's very interesting. The name is very interesting. Let's get into the website again. If you see that, it's a unified AMM that works on both tokens and stable coins. And it has a smart order routing, automatically splits the data into multiple pools and amplified pools with highest capital efficiency and lower slippage, so no third party or centralized oracle risks that you have in this. And then it's dynamic fees which you have for the liquidity providers, and there could be a risk of impermanent loss, but that needs to be taken care of. It's everywhere, right? So it's part of the swap. So yield farmings on NFTs. So if you see this, how do we do it, how the rewards are vested over time, how much APR you would get when you stake. So all these would come into picture once the tokenomics and the tokens are released. So let's get into the tokenomics as well next. Add liquidity to AMM pools, get LP tokens, add LP tokens. This is the same way where you do it for PancakeSwap or anything else. So it's the same process, but once you stake, you get vesting money packed into an NFT token, and then you can redeem the NFT once it is there. Okay, so and it is audited and production ready. Currently they have the testnet app, which is very interesting. If you see Bunny running and if you can see here, there's tokens where you can buy. This is just a testnet. If you buy for 1 Ethereum, you would get around 4,317 Bunny tokens. This is just a testnet where you can connect and then test it for yourself as to how it works. Stable coins. So what are the stable coins available here, and the bridge to the Binance Smart app where you can go and swap. Okay, so from one network to the other. UI looks very interesting. It takes me back to the olden days where around early 2000s where you used to play a Mario game, or it looks similar to that, and then it looks very interesting and intriguing. You can see the tokens, and then the swap fees, the market, and then all these are currently in the testnet phase, and it is currently production ready as well. And once they start with all these options enabled, I think it will be huge. What you can see their blog. So if you see, a lot of partnerships have been done.
Nice.
You can get into this website and just check all the details about it. And let's get into the launch. It's going to launch this month. So Balancer MM style pools would be EP20 tokens, Kyverse DMM style pools of stable coins. So they are using both mechanisms where into one. Bunny Finance. So yield farming as well. And then if you see NFT collectibles market, mining pools and garnets coming into picture. And in Q4 you would see the mobile application, exchange listings, and other actions coming. And there's a synthetic swap, derivatives, Polka Foundry bridge as well. And if you see the release schedule, and so 15% after 1 month, and then quarterly over 2 years. Okay, so the token release for the team, and then if you see for the private sale, it's around 7.5%. That is also huge, where you can get into private rounds, and the price would be very less. I think it's around $0.02. Let's get into tokenomics straight away. So 1 billion supply, 24 or 25 million initial circulating supply. Market cap anything between 500,000 and 1 million is very good when it launches. So it gives a chance for investors to get around 10 to 15x. Hard cap is around 1.7 mil. So private round, so $0.02. Public round is $0.03. It's a very good start basically for a good project, and considering that the community is big, I think it will grow big. Coming to the CEO and co-founder, it's very interesting. You see, he's a former Google Summer of Code, smart app challenge winner, and then if you see, he's also part of former CTO of VCC Exchange under the BitMEX portfolio. It's also been a good exchange coming under him, and there are a lot of interesting people actually involved. And Taran Lopes is a very well-known marketing advisor, Maggie Wu, business advisor, Keith Room, one of the founders and CEO of Polka Foundry, and Ice-T Labs. So all big people are involved in this, Billy. And if you see the investors, I think this is huge. MX Exchange, UB Capital, the ones that I know at least, which are famous, and I think Defi Capital is also good, and the media partners as well. I think overall, a lot of investors have pitched in the private sales. Getting into private or public sale is also very good if you get it at an early price, and then you can probably make some good money out of it. And not only that, I think the app itself looks very interesting. I think it could give a tough competition to Pancake and other swaps already in the market. Okay, so you can probably once this launches, you can have a look at it, have the feel of it, and try to buy Bunny tokens as quickly as possible. Okay guys, so if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a good day.